everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1963 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Holiday Coupe. Gorgeous car, guys. 50,000 original miles on this car. Original Arkansas car, rock solid body. A car guy will really appreciate this car. This car is slick, gorgeous paint, has been repainted. It's original color, white. It's got the factory two-tone blue vinyl interior in it. But as you walk around this car, it is stunning. They redid the bumpers on the car. The chrome and stainless is absolutely beautiful. It's got a set of 18-inch chrome rev wheels. This is just a great car. My buddy Scott's the one who found this car for me, actually, and he said he bought this from the guy he was in his 80s. He's owned this car for about 8-10 years, and it is slick. I mean, beautiful underneath, nice and clean. I mean, as you walk around this car, you just really appreciate how nice this thing is. I love the lines on these cars. Look how nice that chrome and stainless is. I mean, it is beautiful. Yeah, there's really not much to pick on this. You can definitely tell they redid the bumpers. Love the lines. The car's just got a great look. Runs and drives outstanding. Go ahead and open the hood up. Yeah, it's just a super nice car. Look at the body lines on it. There's new cars that don't come out this nice. Sorry, missed a little. They've been waiting on me out here too. This thing's gotten dusty sitting around. Fortunately, we've gotten really busy. Love the tail lights. Those are super cool. Look how straight that thing is down the sides. Not a big fan of the chrome tips, but they were on it, so I left them alone. Look how nice the bumpers are. I mean, this car is gorgeous. Again, drives awesome. Gorgeous paint. You can open the doors and the deck lid. Original 392 cubic inch engine. They added the tri-power unit, so it's got the tri-power carbs with the Offenhauser intake, power steering, power brakes. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds. It's got the original Harrison radiator in it. Just a little sweetheart. Automatic transmission. Super clean. Runs, like I say, runs and drives just as sweet as can be. How nice that A-pillar chrome is. I mean, This car is just beautiful. Door skins are nice and clean. Look how nice the interior is. Factory bench seat. And look how nice that doggone interior is. Headliner's nice. 56,895. That's your original miles. It's got the 3-speed automatic trans with the reverse at the bottom. Put some aftermarket Stewart Warner gauges in there. It's got a Retrosounds radio. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. That's removable if you don't like it, that little center console. I gotta be honest with you, I've got a couple of those in cars now. They're very handy. Stock dual exhaust system. It's got factory rear end. You see the factory jack, the spares in here. Again, that's all to the radio. It's got an aftermarket radio system in it. Little bias ply white wall spare. This car is just impressive, man. I mean, it's beautiful. Look at the spackle paint. I mean, everything opens and closes. You know, I mean, it's just sturdy. The car's nice and clean underneath. It's just a great car. Turn the key and point the direction. It just drives great. Seats are nice. I mean, killer car. Blower motor works, radio works. You can go ahead and fire it up, yeah. Look how nice that is. Just runs and drives just the sweetest in the world. That is a sweetheart right there, guys. Like I said, hits the road, outstanding. I mean, the fit and finish is awesome. Killer lines. I think all your gauges and everything is working down there. Fuel gauge works up there. Yeah, look how nice it is. Gaps are beautiful. Hit your brakes, Dale. Backup lights work. Give it a little rev. Sounds great. Radio works. Just turn it a little bit. Radio works. Blower motor works. Yep, it all works. Wipers we got to check, I think. I don't think they were working. I'd say it's been, sometimes it's been on. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Love those taillights. Beautiful car, man. great sound.